Welcome to the Team Corrali one-page manual video series. For best results, download the PDF file from the link below before watching.
Hello, in this video I will show you how to take out the whole battery box, of course with the ESC. But before you watch this video, please check this one. It contains all of the basic information of how to work on this car. Before we move to step number one, you need to remember to take out the receiver box. If you do not want to take the ESC out of here and you only want to replace like the battery box or some smaller parts here, you don't have to do it. But of course, if you want to take out the ESC completely, it's required to do. In step number one, we need to unplug the motor, take out the cover for the ESC switch, and of course take out the screws from the bottom to release the holder. In step number two, we can take out the straps, and underneath this, the one that is closer to the ESC, you will be able to see there is not the one that we just released the screw from, right here. Of course, if you don't want to replace the whole battery case, you don't need to take the straps out. So here we go, the step number two is complete. Now moving to step number three, you can set these stoppers. There are only two screws from the top. They are very simply to take out. And having two of this, or one of this, however you like, you can put them in 4 different locations and basically change the dimensions of the battery box to fit smaller or bigger batteries, move them forward or reward, however you want. And if you want to put it all back again, simply reverse the steps. When you want to put the ESC back on its place, remember the Torx have 4 screws that you probably see while I was disassembling it. But of course, if you will use any other ESC or you will tear up the screws or whatsoever, just use double-side tape to secure it in place. Of course, remember to clean it before you tape it to make sure the connection is solid. While you are placing the straps back on its place, please carefully follow what I am doing. So what you need to do, put the strap like this, so the side with the hooks and everything is like outside. Put it in on the more outside hole, starting with the inside of the car. Again over the top. Now don't forget about the nut that comes in here, and it will be quite a struggle to put it back in, so why worry. Back inside and outside again. Then you know, straps are fully secured, they are easy to use. Simply do the same with the second one. And now the only thing left to do is plug the cables back. So on the motor you can see clearly the markings A, B, C. On the ESC in this position you can only see the last one barely is C. So just to let you know, of course it's marked when the ESC outside, you can clearly see what's where. But if you already mounted it and forgot about this, this is A, B and C. They come in and off pretty hard. You need to push them quite hardly to get them in place, but that's how it should be. If those starts to be wobbly and try to get out of its place, you can damage the ESC, surely you will damage the cables and something will go wrong. So there must be tight, and that's how it should be. And what is more, if you are running this for quite some time, it can get a little bit rusty, you know, oxidized, and this can be a little bit dirty. So what you want to do every time you take them off, check if it's all clean. If not, just use some solvent and some paper, for example, and try to clean them all out. So here we are, the whole battery tray is now reassembled. As you can see, it's a very simple task to do. I want you to remember two things from this. Basically, that you need to tape other ESC if you are not using Team Corelli, or if you mess the threads in the ESC case. What is more, please remember about those connections. They are very important, and if you want the ESC to be reliable and do not fail on you, you want this connection to always be perfectly clean and tight. So that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos like this. What is more, please follow Team Corelli on Facebook and Instagram. And if you have any questions, contact us via support@corelli.com. And if you want to see this car and any other car in our lineup, visit our showroom world.corelli.com. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.
Team Corelli, engineered to be the fastest.